Here's how to upload your own design on Institch. Open Institch and sign in to your account. From the home page, click Publish in the top right to open the design upload page. Click Choose File, then pick the design you want to upload. Click Open to start the upload. Your design will appear in the file list. You can upload multiple file formats for the same design. You can also add different sizes, and they'll all show up here. Institch automatically reads the design details. That includes the stitch count, color changes, and dimensions. It also generates the color chart. The title and description are filled in automatically, which makes publishing faster. Review the details, then click Publish. And that's it, your design is live. Click your profile in the bottom left to see the designs you've uploaded. You'll also see each design's likes and downloads. Share the designs you love with the Institch community.